Humans like to believe we control the world. We build cities, machines, technology, and we convince ourselves that we are untouchable. But history proves something very different. Again and again, nature has reminded us who's really in charge. From invisible forces to unstoppable disasters, these are the top 10 times nature completely defeated humans. Let's begin. In 1919, a massive storage tank in Boston burst without warning. But instead of water, it released over 2 million gallons of molasses. A wave of molasses barrels around the corner, swallowing streets and splintered debris as it rises story high. Buildings crumple, a trolley derails, and winter light settles over a stunned, silent neighborhood. Boots and a fallen hat are trapped in syrupy sludge, a quiet, human trace amid the wreckage. Rivets torn from the tank glint above a street glazed in molasses, snow drifting as the city holds its breath. In December 1952, a thick fog covered London. At first, people thought it was normal. Coal smoke mixed with winter fog. Within hours, the air turned toxic. Hospitals overflowed, buses stopped, visibility fell to mere feet. London struggled to breathe. Streets vanished in the smog. Sound felt muffled. Movement nearly stopped. When winds finally cleared the haze, the toll was staggering, and reforms followed. In 1518, people in Strasbourg began dancing, and they couldn't stop. More townsfolk joined, copying the same steps, a contagious rhythm no one understands. Days pass under shifting light as the dancing continues, relentless and exhausting. Helpers steady collapsing bodies, offering water and shade as fear replaces curiosity. Theories span poisoned grain, mass stress, and spiritual panic. Science still debates the cause. Eyes glaze in trance, focus drifting like a mind caught between will and compulsion. In the 1930s, poor farming practices destroyed the soil across parts of the United States. The earth split and crops withered, proof that overworked soil cannot sustain life. Black blizzards rolled in, walls of dust that turned noon into night. Main streets emptied as sand piled against doors and hope drifted on the wind. Families packed what they could, chasing cleaner air and a chance to start again. After the nuclear disaster in 1986, humans were forced to flee Chernobyl. A Ferris wheel stilled, classrooms gathered dust, and life paused. Time marked only by settling ash. Birch and vine reclaimed concrete, roots finding every crack as nature rewrote the map. Wolves and horses wandered the streets, thriving where people once feared to walk. From above, Pripyat fades into forest, a city slowly folded back into the wild. The Titanic was called unsinkable. It was the most advanced ship ever built. Beneath cold stars, ice drifted, silent, vast, and indifferent to human pride. The sea looked calm, a mirror hiding the danger just below. Up close, the iceberg's jagged face hinted at a mountain more massive than anyone imagined. An earthquake beneath the ocean released energy equal to thousands of nuclear bombs. As the shoreline receded, curiosity turned to alarm. The ocean was gathering itself. Candles flickered across the map as the scale of loss came into focus. On empty beaches, scattered toys became quiet memorials to lives interrupted. From the sky, responders moved like threads through a torn landscape. In the year 79 AD, Mount Vesuvius erupted. Ash filled the streets, roofs bowed, and daylight dimmed to a choking haze. In museums, plaster forms whisper of moments frozen at the edge of catastrophe. Today, ruins sprawl under golden light, a city preserved by the force that ended it. Beneath Yellowstone National Park lies a supervolcano. If it erupts, it could. An ash veil could dim the sun and chill harvests far beyond the park. Fields would wither, global yields drop, and supply chains strain to breaking. Cities might fall silent, powerless roads and empty skylines under gray skies. And humans could do absolutely nothing to stop it. No fire, No flood, no explosion. A microscopic enemy emptied airports and quieted the planet overnight. Flights grounded, markets plunged, and city centers went still. Labs raced for answers while doors everywhere stayed closed. Yet balconies filled with applause, a reminder that solidarity travels fast. No matter how advanced we become, nature always has the final say. Which moment shocked you the most? Comment the number and subscribe for part 2.